everyone. Welcome to today's Daily English Conversation. Our topic today is talking about hobbies.
That's right. We're going to talk about hobbies, things we love to do in our free time. You'll learn lots of useful English expressions that you can use when talking about your own hobbies.
So sit back, relax, and let's start the conversation. Hey, Jack, how's it going?
Hey, Eve. I'm doing great. Thanks. How about you?
I'm good too. I've just finished my morning yoga session, so I'm feeling pretty relaxed.
Oh, nice. I didn't know you were into yoga. Is that one of your hobbies?
Yes, I actually started doing yoga during the pandemic, and it just stuck with me. It helps me stay calm and flexible. Flexible means your body can move and stretch easily.
That's cool. I've heard yoga is great for both the mind and the body.
Exactly. It really helps me deal with stress. What about you, Jack? What do you like to do in your free time?
I have quite a few hobbies. But if I had to choose, I'd say my main hobby is playing the guitar.
Wow, that's awesome. How long have you been playing?
I started when I was about 14 years old. So, more than 10 years now.
That's impressive. So you must be really good at it.
Well, I'm not a professional or anything, but I can play a few songs pretty well. I mostly play acoustic guitar. I love the warm, natural sound.
Do you play just for fun or do you perform somewhere?
Mostly for fun, but sometimes I play at small gatherings or parties with friends. It's a great way to bring people together.
Totally. Music always makes things better. Do you sing too?
A little, but I'm shy about it.
I get that. Singing in front of people can be scary at first. You know, I think hobbies are super important. They help us relax after work or school.
Absolutely. Hobbies make life more enjoyable. Without hobbies, life would feel kind of boring, don't you think?
Yeah, definitely. They give us something to look forward to.
Right. After a long day, just knowing you'll play guitar or go for a run makes you feel better.
Totally. For me, yoga and reading are like therapy.
What about when you were a kid, Eve? What hobbies did you have back then?
Oh, that's a good question. Let's see. When I was a kid, I loved drawing and painting. I would spend hours doodling in my sketchbook.
That's cute. So were you still into drawing now?
Not as much as before, but sometimes when I'm bored, I still draw a little. It's relaxing, you know?
Yeah, definitely. When I was a kid, I was really into video games. I could play for hours. Racing games, adventure games, all of them.
Typical boy thing.
Yeah, pretty much. But I think video games helped me develop my reflexes and problem-solving skills.
That's true. Some games actually improve focus and teamwork.
Have you ever tried learning a new hobby as an adult?
Actually, yes. Last year, I started cooking.
Oh, wow, that's awesome. What made you start?
Well, I got tired of eating takeout all the time, so I thought, why not learn to cook? It turned out to be fun.
That's great. What kind of dishes do you usually make?
Mostly simple stuff like pasta, fried rice, or grilled chicken, but sometimes I experiment with new recipes.
Nice. Cooking can be so satisfying, especially when the food turns out delicious.
Exactly. And it's cheaper and healthier than eating out. What about you? Have you learned any new hobbies recently?
I've started gardening, actually. I have a small balcony garden with some herbs and flowers.
That's lovely. Gardening is such a peaceful hobby. You literally see the fruits of your labor.
Do you prefer hobbies you do alone or with others?
That's an interesting question. I think it depends on my mood. Sometimes I like to be alone and play guitar, but other times I like team activities like playing soccer.
Oh, you play soccer too?
Yeah, I play every Sunday morning with a group of friends. It's our weekend routine.
That sounds fun. I used to play badminton with my friends, but I stopped after college.
You should start again. Sports are great for both fitness and socializing.
True, and you get to meet new people too.
So what's your typical weekend like, Eve?
Well, on Saturdays, I usually go to a yoga class in the morning. Then I spend the afternoon reading or watching a movie.
Nice and chill. What kind of movies do you like?
Mostly romantic comedies or documentaries.
Cool. I usually spend weekends playing guitar, meeting friends, or sometimes hiking.
Oh, you go hiking. That sounds fun.
Yeah, there's a trail near my house. I go there to get some fresh air and clear my mind.
That's a great way to recharge. Do you like to travel?
Yes, traveling is one of my favorite hobbies, actually.
Really? Where have you been?
I've visited Japan, Thailand, and Italy so far. Each place has its own charm.
Wow, that's amazing. What do you like most about traveling?
I love trying new food and meeting new people. It's also fun to see how other cultures live.
I totally agree. I haven't traveled much yet, but it's on my bucket list.
You should. Traveling opens your mind and gives you new perspectives.
Some people like creative hobbies like writing or photography. Are you into that?
Actually, yes. I enjoy taking photos when I travel. I'm not a professional, but I love capturing beautiful moments.
That's awesome. What kind of photos do you like to take?
Mostly landscapes, mountains, beaches, sunsets. They make me feel peaceful.
Same here. I like writing short stories in my free time. It's kind of my creative outlet.
That's cool. Have you ever thought about publishing your stories?
Not really. I just write for fun. But who knows? Maybe one day.
You know, these days, a lot of people turn their hobbies into online content, like YouTube or Instagram.
Yeah, I've seen so many people share their cooking, painting, or fitness routines online.
Yeah, I've seen so many people share their cooking, painting, or fitness routines online.
Exactly. Some even make money from it.
That's true. I think it's great when people can make a living doing what they love.
Totally. Maybe you could start a yoga YouTube channel.
Maybe, but I'd need to get a better camera first. Do you have a favorite memory related to one of your hobbies?
Yes. Last year, I joined a group yoga retreat near the beach. It was so relaxing, doing yoga with the sound of the waves.
That sounds perfect. For me, it was when I played guitar at my best friend's wedding. Everyone was singing along. It was unforgettable.
Oh, that's so sweet. Music really brings people together.
Sometimes I wish I had more time for my hobbies, though. Work takes up so much of my week.
I know, right? Balancing work and hobbies can be tricky.
Yeah, but I think it's important to make time for things you enjoy.
Definitely. Even 30 minutes a day can make a big difference. Do you ever share your hobbies with your friends?
Yes, my friends and I sometimes have jam sessions.
That sounds fun. You all just play and sing together?
Exactly. It's all about having fun, not being perfect.
I love that. I sometimes invite friends over for a painting night. Everyone paints something different and we chat while doing it.
That's such a nice idea. It's relaxing and social at the same time.
Is there any hobby you've always wanted to try but haven't yet?
Yes, surfing. It looks so cool, but also a bit scary.
Oh, yeah. I've always wanted to try pottery.
That sounds peaceful. I think trying new hobbies keeps life exciting.
Absolutely. Learning something new gives you confidence, too.
Do you have a favorite memory related to one of your hobbies?
Yes. Last year, I joined a group yoga retreat near the beach. It was so relaxing, doing yoga with the sound of the waves.
That sounds perfect. For me, it was when I played guitar at my best friend's wedding. Everyone was singing along. It was unforgettable.
Oh, that's so sweet. Music really brings people together. So, Jack, what would you say to someone who doesn't have a hobby yet?
I'd say try different things until you find something that makes you happy. Don't worry about being perfect, just enjoy the process.
Exactly. Hobbies are all about having fun and relaxing, not competition.
Right, whether it's painting, cooking, or dancing, just do what you love.
Well, that's all for today's Daily English Conversation. We hope you enjoyed listening to our talk about hobbies.
Yes, thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more daily English conversations.
And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite hobby? See you next time.